So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. So, as you can see by the thumbnail in this video, we do have, you guessed it, my Boxycharm Premium. Oh, brother, do I even want to do this? But if you want to see, like I sure do want to see, what's going on with Boxy Premium, then by all means, keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, welcome back, like I said, and if you are new here, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Stephanie. I am the host of this channel. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we do have the Boxycharm Premium for the month of May. Came heck early, so that is either a really bad thing or a really good thing. But before I get into this, let me just please break down what we do here. This is a beauty channel where we do all things beauty, both inside and out, for the mind, the body, and the soul, which means I will talk about mental health. I will joke around. I will cut up, have a good time, do tutorials, try-ons, tons of unboxings, and anything you want to see. So if you want to drop something down below and you want me to review it, or you want, hey, Stephanie, do a look with this palette. Hey, Stephanie, can you get this product and try it on and let me know what you think about it? I absolutely will do it. This is an all-inclusive channel. I get you guys involved as much as I can, and that's going to change big time because we are definitely going to start more of that, okay? So, yay for that. I do have 2 active giveaways that are coming to a close, guys. If you are new here and you have not yet gotten into those videos or gotten a chance to enter, I will leave them linked down below. Please go over there and submit your entry, because they are both coming to a close, and we are starting 2 new ones, which are coming up in the next couple videos that I record. So you will be seeing them very soon. Also, I want to announce that either the 14th or the 15th, I'm not sure which day yet, I will be more specific with it sometime during the week, having a live, and it is a try-on party. For those of you who don't know, I do product testing. I do have a playlist. I'm about to film my freebies video. Anyway, we're not here for that. Please, if you have not subscribed, please remember to do so. Come join our family. Be a part of something great. It's a wonderful community. Please definitely remember to rate the video thumbs up. It really does help me out, guys. I'm starting to get shared out. Also, I have a question. Please leave it down below, your answer. Have you seen any commercials on this channel? Okay, enough chit chat. Let's get into Boxycharm Premium for the month of May. I need to open it, and it is Sunday when I'm filming. Here we go, Boxycharm Premium for the month of May. I have no idea. I didn't even look at the spoilers. I'm still waiting for the takeover box, which I think was a big fat fib. Switching bait and switch like Ipsy. Oh, we're going to talk about Ipsy when Ipsy comes, and it's on its way. Believe that. But let me tell you. Woo! But anyway, we're not here for that. Well, they're together, so oh well. But anyway, Boxycharm. Flourish is the theme for this month. There you have it, right there. Flourish. Boxycharm Flourish. And I do have variation, guys. I'm going to hold it up so you guys can see it right there. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into this box. If you don't know, this is the premium. It is $35 plus tax, and you get 6 full-size items, or so they say. So here we go. Now, first thing I'm pulling out of the box is the Rodile, and there are 3 of them. It is the Rodile Trio. It says, innovative eye gel mask combine biocellular technology with dragon's blood complex, which I do like. I have it right here. This stuff is to die for. It will remove my laugh lines right in front of my face, and it lasts for quite a long time, guys. So this is a very good brand. It's hella expensive. I can only imagine how much these are. For 3 of them, it's $18, okay? So, yeah. $6 per eye mask. That is $3 an eye. For 3 of them, it is $18. Woo! A lot of money. Okay, so this is kind of funny because I remember I said I have that swap video coming. Well, I did get something from Too Faced. This is the Proactive Nourishing Too Faced Hangover. Coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, skin revivers, replenishing face primer. Here you go, right here. Now I will take it out and show you. I don't know if I can use this. It depends on how much coconut is in it, because Coconut will make me break out. And that's a shame because I really wanted to try this. Okay, this is the Revolutionary Makeup Primer is infused with coconut water, probiotic, what I just said, and skin revivers that work together to boost skin's radiance, promote elasticity, and help hydrate, while locking down makeup for fresher, longer, more flawless wear. This is worth $35, okay? So that is the second item. Okay, I don't remember what I picked. I don't remember. I think it might have been this. I'm not sure. I don't know. I have to go back on my emails and check. I do know that I picked one thing, and I see it, but okay. Now, this is from Bite Beauty. Not a great fan of Bite Beauty, but let's see. What is this? This is Bite Beauty Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. And I'm not a big fan of lip crayons, but okay. Bite Beauty, it says, a clean, high-performance matte lipstick for creamy, bold color that can keep up with you. $26 now. Let's take a look at the color. Okay, I don't know if it's Nonino, Nonino, or Onion. I don't know what it is. Yes, you can look at it this way. Guys, check out the lettering really quick. Okay, let me get out of the way so you can see that. I hope it focuses. Is it focusing? Let me stay out of the way. Okay, see it that way? Now, if you turn it this way, you can see that it spells a word as well. So I don't know which one it is. Okay, I don't know. Let me see. Does it say on here? I know. So this is what the component looks like. Let's take a look now. See? No, that is a pretty shade, I guess. It's a pretty dark, but that's, I don't know. I think that's too dark for me. So that will probably go in a giveaway. Oh no, did I miss? I always do it. Oh my gosh, guys, I just did it. Look. Oh, can you see that? It's because I can't see with these glasses. You see the tip just ever so slightly. Oh my gosh, hold on. Let me see. Oh, I hate doing these things. There. I ever so slightly did it. That was me. So if you get it, just know it's just me. Oh my God. Anyway, we have that. And again, that is $28. That's a lot for a lip crayon. Okay. A lot for Bite Beauty. So I don't know. I mean, they're clean and all. That's a good thing. This, did I get this already? I swear I got this somewhere else. I think I got it in Boxycharm. Hang on. This is from Australian Certified Toxic Free through a profound understanding of human biocellular renewal and nutrient utilization. Our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. Whoa, is that a mouthful? Okay. Grown Alchemist body cream. It's a body lotion. All right, so how much do they want for this? It is $26. Now, I believe these come in like metal or something. Yeah. Now, the one I got was yellow, and I swapped it, I think. So this is what it looks like. I won't be using this. I don't do body creams. Y'all know that. Okay, so there's this. And then, so that, it's me, not a pod person. I'm for real, it's me. For the new people, if I don't drop something, question if the body snatchers didn't come and get me in the night, because I always drop something. That's how you know it's me. Hold, please. I pick it up and it falls out. What is really going on? And I close the dang thing. Okay, there. Stay there, please. Don't slide off. Okay. I have no room on my desk. Okay. So, oh my God. So we have the infamous Ipsy brushes from LaRousse. And we did get these in the Box by Fashion stuff. Now, okay, hang on. Let me just see what these are before I say anything, okay? LaRousse Beauty On The Go set. Get ready to cover all the basics with this set. 3 pieces. Ipsy gave us 5. The Box by Fashion set gave us 3. 3 good ones, I will say. They were 2 eye brushes and a face brush, I believe. And those brushes are really good. I like them. Okay, so 3-piece set comes with a dense domed brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlighter or blush, and a small dense angled brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. My personal opinion is when companies put those little brushes in, and I'm going to show you which one I'm talking about. These. That's cheating. That is cheating, okay? Unless it has a spoolie, even then it's a little wonky. But there you have it. I don't like that. I think that's cheating, even though these are good brushes. And they're heck of expensive. I would have much rather got a blending brush, but, you know, okay, it is what it is. I have a gazillion brushes, so whatever. I guess for someone who's starting out their collection, this is a good thing. Try and look on the positive, guys. And then you have this one, which is a highlighter brush right there. I'm not going to touch it. And then we have the foundation brush. Now, I have a foundation brush, and I believe I have this one too. There's a little fuzzy on there. Okay. This is actually very dense. It's very small, but that's kind of cool. More control. So there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Guys, we are so close to 750. Oh my gosh. And I think I'm going to put a post up over on Instagram showing you how far I got with the bundles. Okay? Because I agonized and switched things around a gazillion times. My OCD was kicking hard then. Who was it ever? But I took a picture of what I finally think is the way I'm going to keep it. If I mess with it, it's going to mess it up. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it like it is. But I'm still not done yet. There's like a couple things I got to add. Okay, so these brushes are worth, oh my gosh. Yeah, $96 for 3 of them. But this is why we get them in subscription boxes. Because we don't have to pay what? Full price, right? Okay. So there, I will give it to Boxycharm for jacking up the price of this box. Now, this is what I picked. I thought we got 2 for premium. What else did I pick? It must have been the Hangover. It must have been this. I didn't know it came with coconut though, or I would have picked something else. But I think these are only 2 good things. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. All right, so this is House Laboratories Glam Room Palette. #1 Fame, okay? Guys, this sucker is like in here. It's crazy. All right, hang on.
2 hours later.
Wow. Holy crap. We have the box. That was heck hard. All right, so here's what it looks like. Very sleek packaging. There's the back. It's very shiny. I like shiny things. This says House Laboratories Glam Room Palette #1 Fame. Unlock your fame in this new palette with 10 matte, metallic, shimmer, and sparkle finishes made to perform on every skin tone. This universal eyeshadow palette gives you the power to play up every persona. Well, the names are on the back, not the actual shades, but the names are there. See? So there you have that. That's the back. And the box comes with nothing on it. There are the ingredients down there on the side. That's it. All right, well, it is a universal palette, that's for sure. It does come with a mirror. Let me just kind of hide that. So there we go, guys. I don't want to drop this. So there we go. There are the shades. Well, there's a black. There's a black and there's a shade for all over the lid. I do kind of like that right there. And then there's that black. I mean, I don't have anything from House Laboratories. Will I keep this palette? I don't know. It says, silky smooth blendable shades range from warm, pale peach to rose gold to cool plums and deep black for an ensemble of colors ready to envelop you in a new identity each time you want to reinvent yourself. $34. So that's not like super crazy. But I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 pan. That's a 10 pan palette. Okay. So how many shimmers do we have? We have 1 shimmer that I see. A couple satins. And then, yeah, just 1 really shimmery one. That gold is really, really like shimmery. But okay. So there you have that. So let's recap. What did I get in my premium? And do I like this box? I will leave the total of the box right here. Again, this is a $35 a month subscription. And I said I was going to cancel it, but then I heard, oh, this is kind of cool. Like, see how that, it's like a pyramid. So that's a little different. So we did get the House Laboratories. I did pick that because, you know, I think my choices weren't all that great. And then I did pick the Hangover Primer. Coconut, not sure I can use that. I didn't know I had coconut in it. And then the LaRousse brushes, which... $96. Wow. And then we have the Grown Alchemist, which is the body lotion. I won't be using that. I am happy about the Rhode Island eye patches. I love me some eye patches. I love me masks, and I definitely use eye patches. Guys, really good ones. Grace and Stella are a really good eye patch, I have to say. And they're not all that expensive. You can get them over on Amazon as well, I think. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, but I swapped for them, so... which you will see in a swap video when I show you what I got and what I traded for. And the last thing in the box is the Bite Beauty, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, Bite Beauty. What do I think about the box? Well, let's just quickly go over what I can use and what I can't. Not a fan of the body lotion. I won't use this. I think the brushes, there's no eye brushes except that one. I can't create an eye look with that liner brush. I'm not mad at the palette. I mean, I don't have anything from House Laboratory, so that's kind of cool. Again, I don't think I can use, this is too dark for me. And I'm not a fan of Bite Beauty anyway. The primer, I may give it a go. I may pass it along. I don't know. But I do like the eye patches, so yeah. But anyway, I'm sure a lot of people would love to have some of these things. There's just some things I can't use, and I don't use body lotion. So, well, I do, but not that kind. So yeah, I mean, I'll be keeping one thing, but the good thing about it is when I don't do that, that's more for you guys. So that's always a plus. And yeah, so there you have it. That is my Boxycharm Premium for the month of May, guys. Please remember to rate this video thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not. And also, we are trying to get to 750, guys. Holy moly, we are almost there. And as soon as that number hits 750, the giveaway is on and popping. I will upload that video. I already have it spread out and done and ready to go. So, except for the intro, because the intro is where I'm going to be screaming like, oh my God, I am so excited. And I could not have done it without you guys. Thank you so much. I love each and every one of you. This is such a great thing. Like, I legit am so very happy that I've done this channel. And I can't wait to see what's coming. I mean, there's a lot coming. Anyway, please remember, whatever you're going through, please do not keep what's up in your head. Talk about it. Share about it. You know, it may not cure you 100%, but it will not hurt you. But keeping it up in your head will definitely hurt you. And please be that friend when somebody wants to talk that you'll listen. But most of all, in this crazy mixed up world, guys, please stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.